I'm a money magnet.
Man, what's up with it, y'all, man? This Big Boss coming back with a little first impression video. So, I just sprayed on that Dior Homme Sport, right? Now, I sprayed it on just before I went to go see The Matrix. And I'm not gonna hold y'all. Neither my friend or my girlfriend was impressed, okay? So look, like my take on it, like if you take like that Dior Homme Sport that came out in 2012 and you remove the iris and ginger and replace it with the elements of the woody amber part of the Dior Homme 2020, at first glance, this fragrance is like very complex up close. But like given the responses from my friends, I feel like it's rather a generic scent, you know what I'm saying? I feel like heat will like bring out the more complexities a little bit more because it's like winter time. I don't think people can really capture the essence of the cologne, you know what I'm saying? Because it smells like it is kind of perfect for the gym, but like not during the winter time. And I think you'll personally like this if you enjoyed the Dior Homme in 2020 that came out last year, or any of the other previous Dior Sport Homme releases. In my opinion, this is way lighter on the ginger than the previous releases was. The ginger could cause major headaches when over applied, so I would be really wary of the sprays. The performance doesn't seem like it's lacking at all, so it's like it's a good projection on it. It's actually a worthy addition to all the Dior Homme collection. It is definitely something that newbies should consider as well. It's wild seeing Dior drop a gym fragrance in the winter time, but somehow it works. So them are my little first impressions on, you know what I'm saying, Dior Homme Sport. When I get home, so right now I'm in the car, once I get home I'll do like a proper review, like a proper before you buy, but these are like my little first impressions. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.
I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the talking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking. Got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a